A 14-year-old girl who was thought to have died in the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami has been found alive and reunited with her family. Video footage broadcast by Indonesian television on Thursday shows Rodhatul Jana, also known as Weni, being brought home by her biological mother Jamalia. Weni was born in western Indonesia and is said to have been swept away by the tsunami when she was 4 years old. Indonesian local media reports that she was later found nearly 80 miles south and raised by an elderly woman.
I prayed every day and night that if this little girl is safe, please let us find her. Even just 1 month ago, her father has been contacting everyone he knows and kept saying that my sweet child must be alive every day after he came back from work.
Weni's brother also disappeared with her when the tsunami struck, but is still missing. The family has no plan to take a DNA test to verify the girl's identity, but her mother told local media that she is ready to do so if necessary.